To evaluate passenger changeover time, luggage storage capacity and seat usability, we click on Analysis. We now have two options for evaluation. We can either evaluate pre-configured trains or individual carriage layouts. If we want to compare several carriages with each other, it is advisable to go to Layout Evaluation. Here, we can first select a desired project, then a carriage, and now have the option of defining various parameters. For example, we want to select a business travel day and a main travel day. Here we have the option of deciding which graphics should be displayed. We can select all graphics, only those for luggage storage, only those for seat usability, or only those for passenger changeover time. We also have the option of selecting individual graphics that we consider useful. We now select all graphics. In the next step, we go to the layouts we want to select. We have two specific layouts available here and can also select the corresponding doors. We can click on the doors individually that we want to evaluate. We can also select all doors on one side, here in the plan view on the upper side or on the lower side of a carriage. Here we select the upper doors. There are additional setting options under Advanced Settings. Here we have the default values for the evaluations we have defined. We have the region available. We have defined long-distance transport and are using the default values for passengers' willingness to store their luggage. Here we have set limits for the evaluations regarding seat occupancy, standing room occupancy and the number of passengers we want to determine. Here we have specified 100% passenger changeover. We can also define any other percentage or specify an absolute number of persons. If we have a mode of transport other than long-distance transport, for example regional public transport, pre-configured values for the number of persons per square meter in the various standing areas are already available here. However, there are no standing areas for long-distance transport. Now, once all selections have been made and we have not made any changes here in the advanced settings in this case, we click on Analysis. The analysis results are provided in a separate zip folder, which is usually stored in the download area. After unzipping the zip folder, we see subfolders divided according to the type of graphics we have selected, for example, a folder for luggage, in which the respective graphics for luggage capacity are displayed. A seat folder containing the graphics for seat usability. Time contains the graphics for passenger changeover time. Here, a distinction is made between the cumulative view and the overall representations. The Layouts folder contains the vehicle layouts that have been selected, both in floor view and in ceiling view with overhead storage compartments.